Hello everyone, this is Matush coming to you with another quick tip for Trimble Business Center. So since the merger of Business Center Heavy Civil Edition and the Business Center menus has changed, so I thought I'm gonna do this series of few quick tricks for you to make the transition easier. Last time we have touched on the command pane. This time I would like to focus on CAD grips and some text snaps and stuff. So, like I mentioned, few versions back, Business Center developers introduced the CAD grips. So to turn them on, you need to go to your support ribbon, hit options, and turn on the CAD grips. Once you do that, whichever object, whether it's a polyline or text or whatever, will basically have the CAD grips available to you. They are really handy when you need to change, right? And of course, everything is snappable to the point. Today I want to focus quickly on some text. Right, so let's just create some text. Of course, when you click it, you see a whole bunch of CAD grips. The middle one is basically moving the text, right? No, I don't use the top right, which kind of basically extends the text horizontally. Sometimes I use the top left, which enlarges and shrinks down the text. Most of the time I use the right grip, which will do the rotate, especially when I have multiple points and clusters of points and I need to rotate the text. So for example, elevation, and it's really handy. However, as you can see, if I rotate it 180 degrees, the text is basically upside down, which is not really presentable. So there is a quick trick. If you hit properties of the text, there is something called which is auto flip. If you hit yes, now when you move to about 90 degree, the text will flip, right? So it's pretty neat. I mean, with the elevations or point numbers, this is very handy because your drawing is still consistent. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed another quick trick for Business Center. Please like my video and drop me a line what would you like to see next. Until next time, this is Matush. Have fun.